Sir, what is the Bayard speed range and the critical speed of the main engine?
ओके गॉट इट. ठीक है. क्रिटिकल स्पीड. सो बेसिकली क्रिटिकल स्पीड इज द स्पीड at which the frequency of the vibration of your system or your engine is matching with the natural frequency of the hull. So what happens is this, when your both the frequencies are matching, a resonance effect takes place. Resonance effect takes place, which means that the amplitude of vibration at such a frequency is very high, which is can affect into disastrous higher amplitude of vibration, okay, into the very disastrous effects into the engine. So what this speed is called a critical speed. So when the engine is manufactured, one of the critical speeds is being determined by the engine manufacturers. What is the relation between the Bayard speed range and the critical speed is, and very commonly this is asked in your MEO class for examinations, that ki Bayard speed range is the range where this scenario of matching of frequency can start. I mean, say the amplitude will rise and not suddenly, but their amplitudes are coming closer to each other at a certain level of condition, at certain RPM. These high stresses associated with the resonant condition or near resonance conditions, when they start to build up and when they end, this complete range is called the Bayard speed range, where you cannot operate your engine at continuously. So this Bayard speed range is a range of speed where you cannot run the engine because it can be near resonant condition, setting up higher stresses, whereas critical speed is a certain speed associated where your hull frequency will match your natural frequency, hull frequency or the natural frequency of vibration of the hull will match your engine frequency, and this can cause resonant condition. We don't want that to happen. That is why you have this Bayard speed range on your engine. You understood?
Yes, I understood.
Okay, copied. So similar content will be discussed in MEO class for live classes.